Welcome to What to See in Athens, where history echoes through the ages and modern culture flourishes. Athens, the heart of ancient Greece, stands as a testament to human civilization. From the majestic Acropolis to the lively streets of Plaka, join us as we explore the timeless beauty of this historic metropolis. Our journey begins at the Acropolis, the ancient citadel that reigns over Athens. As we ascend the sacred rock, the Parthenon temple, dedicated to the goddess Athena, captivates with its perfect proportions and enduring grandeur. The nearby Acropolis Museum houses artifacts that bring the history of this ancient monument to life. Descending from the Acropolis, we explore the ancient Agora, the cradle of democracy. This was the hub of political, commercial, and social activity in ancient Athens. Stroll through the reconstructed Stoa of Attalos, now a museum displaying the everyday life of Athenians centuries ago. Next, we wander through the narrow streets of Plaka, Athens' oldest neighborhood. Lined with neoclassical buildings, quaint cafes, and vibrant shops, Plaka offers a glimpse into the city's Ottoman and Byzantine past. Don't miss the Anafiotika district, where island-style houses offer an oasis of tranquility. At the heart of modern Athens lies Syntagma Square, the site of the Greek parliament. Here, witness the Evzones in traditional costume performing the changing of the guard, a ceremony that symbolizes the country's pride and resilience. Home to some of the world's most important artifacts, the National Archaeological Museum invites us to delve deeper into Greek history. From the Mask of Agamemnon to the Antikythera mechanism, the treasures within tell a story of artistic and scientific achievement. Exploring further, we reach the colossal temple of Olympian Zeus, once the largest temple in Greece. Nearby, Hadrian's Arch stands as a gateway between the ancient city and Roman Athens, marking the blend of cultures that have shaped this historic landscape. For the best views of Athens, a climb or cable car ride up Lycabettus Hill is a must. From the top, the panoramic vista spans from the Saronic Gulf to the mountains surrounding the city, with the Acropolis proudly centered in the breathtaking scene. As the sun sets, the neighborhoods of Monastiraki and Syri come alive. Monastiraki Flea Market is a treasure trove of antiques, crafts, and souvenirs, while Syri offers an eclectic mix of traditional tavernas, stylish bars, and live music venues, showcasing the lively spirit of contemporary Athens. No visit to Athens is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From savory souvlaki to sweet baklava, Greek cuisine is a feast for the senses. Explore the central food market or a traditional taverna to experience the flavors that define Greek culture. Venturing into the heart of Athens's historical narrative, we discover the Byzantine and Christian Museum. This treasure trove of religious art spans centuries, offering insight into the Byzantine Empire's profound influence on Greece. From intricate icons to majestic mosaics, each artifact tells a story of faith and artistry. Next, we step into the Panathenaic Stadium, an architectural marvel entirely made of marble and the site of the first modern Olympics in 1896. Walking through its arches, you can almost hear the echoes of cheering crowds and feel the spirit of athletic competition that has inspired humanity for millennia. On the outskirts of the ancient city lies Kerameikos, an area that served as Athens' cemetery for over 1,000 years. This serene archaeological site, with its stelae and funerary sculptures, offers a poignant glimpse into the personal lives of ancient Athenians, reminding us of the city's long and multifaceted history. Ascending from the historical heart of the city, we find ourselves in Kolonaki, Athens' upscale neighborhood. Known for its designer boutiques, art galleries, and sophisticated cafes, Kolonaki is the perfect place to experience the modern, chic side of Athens. The neighborhood also serves as a gateway to Mount Lycabettus, offering another route to its summit. For a leisurely escape within the city, Philippapos Hill presents not only splendid views but also a walk through history. The path leading to the top is dotted with ancient ruins, including the Philippapos Monument, and provides a panoramic view that encompasses the Acropolis, the sea, and the city sprawling beneath. While Athens is celebrated for its ancient ruins and urban culture, the Athens Riviera offers a refreshing seaside escape. Just a short drive from the city's center, the coastline stretches from Piraeus to the Temple of Poseidon at Cape Sounion, offering beautiful beaches, luxurious resorts, and the charm of seaside towns. To truly immerse in Greek culture, an evening of traditional music and dance is essential. The vibrant districts of Syri and Plaka often host live performances where you can join locals in a dance, enjoy the heartfelt melodies of Rembetiko, Greek blues, and feel the communal spirit that music and dance evoke in Greek society. Delving further into Greece's ancient past, the Museum of Cycladic Art showcases the minimalist elegance of Cycladic figurines, alongside artifacts from the wider Aegean cultures. The museum not only offers a glimpse into the daily lives of ancient civilizations, but also highlights their artistic and cultural achievements. As our exploration of Athens comes to a close, it's clear that the city offers endless layers of history, culture, and beauty to discover. Each corner of Athens tells a story, each street reveals a new facet of Greek life. We invite you to wander, taste, listen, and immerse yourself in this vibrant city. Thank you for joining us on What to See in Athens. Don't forget to subscribe and explore with us again soon. Safe travels, and may you find your own Athens in its streets, its history, and its people.